to 3 Point Auto Tech Workshop here at the mainland workshop. My name is Ari Adeni, they call me the Auto Doctor. Here today we have ML 450 here, 2013, and the complaint is the gear system. Well, I just want to give you a few tips. I do that based on the kind of job I'm doing. We advise you that always ensure to know when you need to service your gear system. I mean, what that means to change your transmission fluid, and use the right transmission fluid, and also to change the transmission filter, the gear filter. You change the gear filter, then you change the gear oil. But if you're changing the gear oil, ensure you use the right recommended original transmission fluids. Okay, and two things majorly cause gear problem, especially the automatic transmission system, automatic gear system. It's one, if the oil is overdue for replacement and it's not being changed, and the oil goes so bad it can burn the fiber of the gear, and that can actually damage the gear.